Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make Birria Quesadillas. I was craving some birria and decided to make quesadillas this time, so let's get started with the video. Begin by prepping your ingredients. Dice 2 onions, then chop 1 carrot, and some fresh cilantro. After that, shred some fresh mozzarella cheese. And finally, remove the seeds and stem of 3 Guajillo Chiles, 1 Ancho Chile, and 1 Pasilla Chile. When you finish removing the seeds and stem, give them a quick rinse. Next, place your chilies into a pot of water. Bring your pot of water to a boil, and when it starts boiling, take it off the heat, cover your pot with a lid, and let your chilies stew for 20 minutes or more. After that, place your chilies inside a blender. Then add 1 Chipotle pepper in Adobo sauce and 1 cup of water. Now blend all your ingredients together until smooth. When you're finished blending, strain your chili mixture. When you're finished, set your mixture to the side. On an Instant Pot, press sauté and continue to press sauté until it is on more. Then add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil inside your Instant Pot. Once the inside is hot, sear about 3 pounds of beef shanks on each side for about a minute. When you finish searing your beef, set them to the side. The bottom was burning a bit, so I had to wipe the pot clean. After searing your meat, let your Instant Pot cool and then place your meat back into the pot. Then add 1 onion, diced or whole, your chopped carrot, your chili mixture from before, 2 to 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of beef bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of Mexican oregano, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/8 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/8 teaspoon cayenne pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon ground coriander. After you've added all your seasonings, add 3 bay leaves and 4 cups of water. Then place the lid on your Instant Pot. Then all you have to do is press meat stew on your Instant Pot and wait for everything to finish cooking. It'll take about 10 minutes for it to warm up and then 35 minutes to cook. Once it's finished cooking, release the steam from the vent and take the lid off. Do not open the lid until all the steam has been released. Now take the beef out of your Instant Pot and place it on a cutting board. The beef is going to be really tender, so it's going to fall apart easily, so it might be a bit difficult to take it out all at once. You might have to take them out in pieces. Next, take out your bay leaves and skim the fat from the top of your broth. Don't throw that away, we're going to use that to make our quesadillas and tacos. When you're finished, chop up your beef. Now add some of the beef back into the broth. Next, in a small bowl, add some of your diced onions. Then add some of your finely chopped cilantro and mix the onions and cilantro together. When you're finished, set your onion and cilantro mixture to the side. This part's optional, but I decided to make some pico to go with the quesadillas. Dice 3 Roma tomatoes and place it in a bowl. Then add half of a diced onion, some cilantro, the juice of 2 limes, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, set your pico de gallo to the side. Now we're going to make our quesadillas. In a large pan over medium heat, add some spoonfuls of your rendered fat from your broth. Then place a large tortilla in the pan and coat both sides with the rendered fat. Let your tortilla cook for about a minute or so, and then add your mozzarella cheese, your beef, and some of your cilantro and onions. Then fold your tortilla. Cook your tortilla on both sides until crispy, and then take it out of the pan. I decided to make another quesadilla because I didn't think I put enough cheese on the other one. Once you're finished cooking your quesadillas, place them on a cutting board and slice them into 3 even pieces. After I made the quesadillas, I decided to make some tacos to go with them as well. I basically just used the same method I used for the quesadilla. I dipped the tortilla in rendered fat and then coated both sides. Let the tortilla cook for a bit. Added cheese. Beef. And onions and cilantro. Then folded the taco and cooked both sides until crispy. Now that we've finished cooking everything, we can go ahead and plate everything up. And this is the finished result. These were great, it totally satisfied my craving. The pico de gallo tastes amazing with it as well. I totally recommend you give it a try with some pico. If you don't have an Instant Pot, that's totally fine. I have a video on how to make birria tacos on the stove. I'll have a link to it at the end of the video and in the description below. Oh, and I also want to address some comments that I got on my previous birria taco videos. A lot of people were asking if it's spicy. It's not spicy. The broth isn't spicy either. It's very mild, and the only thing that would make it spicy is if you added some hot sauce. Oh, that reminds me, I added some tapatio on it too, and it tasted great. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!